Hey guys, so I'm Ruben Liu. I'm the founder of Roundtable Studios and also White Room by Roundtable. So if you are watching this video or you received a link for me to watch this video, it most likely means that you're trying to start up your live stream account for YouTube. The main reason why you want to do that instead of piggybacking off our own YouTube account is mainly because we want you to actually keep that memory for yourself. The video can remain unlisted on your own precious channel. We usually recommend for the couples to actually create a shared Google account so that you guys can use that as for all your wedding planning needs. So let's just hop right into it and let's try to get it set up. So the first thing you probably need, as I mentioned just now, is actually a Google account. So I'm just going to set one up now to show you how it works. So let me just go to YouTube. I'm going to sign in, create an account for myself. I'll need an email address, so you probably have to create a new Gmail as well. So for the sake of this test, I'm going to create a Gmail for White Room. So I'm going to put White Room by Roundtable. Just for the sake of recovery, I'm going to send it back to my own personal. I just skip this part. Basically, you just need to create an account. Services. And so there you have it. You have a registered account. Yeah, the first thing you want to do is go to create and go live. You can't immediately go live, so you have to first of all create a channel. A channel for YouTube is basically an account that your name will be seen by. So over here, we would normally recommend you to put the names of the couple. So it's somebody plus somebody, or if you guys have a hashtag, maybe that can be your channel as well. So for this sake, I'm going to put White Room. For the sake of this experiment, I'll upload a picture some other time. You guys should actually, when you send it to your guest, then at least you can see a picture of you guys and then you can understand, oh yeah, it's them. Okay, so first of all, go to create, go to live. You'll probably see a little live streaming isn't available right now, so you have to click enable. And this is where you actually have to verify your account. So after that, you have to dump in your phone number. So I'm going to skip this part really quickly. I don't want everyone to start calling me. You probably won't see this. Then you click get a code. I will get a code on my phone and then submit. Okay, so now that the phone number is verified, and then the account will be verified after that. So once that is done, you can actually go back to the first tab. And you can see it takes about 24 hours for the verification process to take place. Of course, this would mean that you can't do anything until then. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go and skip this part and show you how it looks like on our other accounts, so that it's much easier. Once the 24 hours is done, you get right here into this page. Welcome to YouTube Live Control. So congratulations, you can go live right now with your YouTube account. So right now, what you want to do is that you want to schedule your stream. So I'm going to click here, later date. We're going to use streaming software here because we are going to stream for your behalf. So click streaming software. So right now you see schedule your stream, right? So you click schedule your stream and schedule accordingly. So the title accordingly to what you guys want. In this case, I'm going to quickly put in what my client has requested me to put in. So in terms of description, it's usually recommended to put something that welcomes the guests to the live stream. This part is something that they will read. We also recommend to put in links over here. It could be links to a PDF file for a worship session. It could be a Padlet link or a Kudo board link where you can encourage people to drop encouraging messages. You can also put a link for QR payment if you're asking guests to bless the couple. So yeah, it could be a mixture of anything. So I'm just going to dump in what has been requested. Then once you go through the rest of it, it says people and blogs here. There'll also be a thumbnail, so let me just upload the thumbnail. You'll probably have to click no, it's not made for kids. Allow live chat and allow live chat replay. This is quite an important step so that you can actually rewatch it and see the live chat come up. Participant mode, keep it to anyone. Message delay, it doesn't really matter here because the people who are watching your video should be the people that you know, so you don't expect any spam whatsoever. So click next. Visibility, keep it unlisted. Unlisted is important so that not everyone can find your wedding. We know that the wedding is a private event, unless of course you want to share it with the world. There's nothing wrong with that as well. So you have to keep it unlisted or public. In this case, we are going to keep it unlisted, and also schedule it. So in this case, the ceremony starts at 6 p.m. The live stream will probably have to start about 15 minutes beforehand so guests can come in. Alright, then after that, once everything is there, you can click done. Don't worry too much about the scheduling because you can actually reschedule it later on. So once you click done, you'll be in this area where your stream will actually be ready. And once you reach this page, you're basically done. Just make sure all your details are correct. You can change them later on. Once you're here, you can actually pass the stream. You can actually pass the login access to us already, and we'll take it from here. We'll need to generate the stream key for the day itself. And if you want to share the link out to other people, you can actually go up here to the arrow button right here and click share. You can copy this video link and you could just share it with your friends. Hope this has been simple enough to follow. If you guys have any questions, do let me know. If I sent you this via text, you can text me back. If any of my partners sent it over text, you can text them back as well. But if you found this online, if you have any questions, do let me know in the comments as well, and I'll do my best to answer them. So that's it for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.